Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mr. Hanlon. I just wanted to make a quick video because I know in a couple of classes we talked about MLA formatting and putting your documents into Word and uploading those into Blackboard. And so I just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to access Office 365 on your computers through your RCCC email if for some reason you don't already have Word installed. If you go over to the RCCC homepage and you look over at the quick links, if you go into your email and you log into your student email, it will bring you to your email. If you look up in the corner for the app launcher, these little dots in the corner, you'll see you have access to cloud versions of Word, PowerPoint, all that good stuff. And so you can make a Word document or a PowerPoint presentation or whatever you need in the cloud through here. And that way, if you're doing something at home and you go to campus, when we do eventually move back to campus, you can access all that there. But if you look in this corner, Office 365, you can click into that link. It'll open up in another tab. And so you'll still have all your cloud-based Word and all that stuff. And as you can see, I have a couple of documents here. But if you look over in this corner, install Office at the top, you can click into that and it has a download Office 365. So it gives you Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, everything that you need. If for some reason it puts something that you don't really need, like maybe you don't use Excel, you can get rid of it once you kind of download it and just keep what you need. But it would probably be best to just download everything and then just keep what you need, get rid of what you don't need. And if it asks you to log in, you would just log in through your student email. So your password, Blackboard that you already use to log into everything else, if it does ask you to log in. And so you have access to all these apps through your RCCC. It's already paid for through your fees and tuitions and everything. So that is something that you can use throughout your time at the college. And you can certainly also use the cloud-based versions as well. So if that, hopefully that was helpful. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to either myself or your lead instructor, and we'll be happy to help you figure out this process.